Happy Wednesday evening, everybody. Let's kick it off with some dessert. A little black bolt with a little bit of doggy luck. Come on now. Can we please see some fire out of the last pack of this ETB? Hope you all had a wonderful Wednesday. Hopefully you ripped a few packs, made a little money, I don't know, had a good time. We got Basic Energy, Poniard, Dynamo, Axu, Snivy, Lilligant, Alamolanola, whatever, Darmanitan. We've got a regular Pokeball Caracosta, Maractus, and a Kling Hollow. No! Can't win them all. Love y'all. Peace.